Imagine walking into a modern CNC machine shop. The machines are advanced, the team is skilled, production is running. But behind the scenes, operations are still managed with spreadsheets, paper documents, and disconnected systems. That's exactly what Dr. Emil Somech discovered while visiting a SolidCAM customer in Germany. It raised one simple question: can a CNC manufacturer achieve maximum productivity without a connected digital manufacturing system? That insight sparked the creation of SolidShop. SolidShop is SolidCAM's ecosystem for digital manufacturing, connecting CAM programming directly with the entire manufacturing operation. It brings together G-code editing and simulation, shop floor PDM, SolidCAM for operators, DNC Communications, CNC Machine Monitoring, and last but not least, ERP MES Integration. The result? The right program, the right documents, and the right information reach the right machine and the right operator at the same time. And what does that mean? Fewer programming error, less machine downtime, better communication, complete production visibility and traceability. Daniel Santos and Diego Campos joined this journey with decades of experience in digital manufacturing. They had already seen how integrating SIMCO solutions increased productivity by 20% or more in many CNC machine shops. Today, SolidShop combines the power of SolidCAM and SIMCO technologies into one affordable, scalable platform for digital manufacturing. It gives manufacturers complete control over CNC programming, G-code management, shop floor operations, machine communications, live monitoring, ERP connectivity. For years, CNC manufacturers have been looking for a practical way to digitally transform their operations. SolidCAM is the complete ecosystem for digital manufacturing, built for real production environments, designed to maximum productivity today and ready for the AI-driven manufacturing of tomorrow. So tell me, are you ready to take your shop to the next level with SolidShop? Think about it.